pride like a coat of armor. Swore I could stand on my own. I kept the world at a safe little distance and carried my hurt alone. I knew the words that a good man should say, but my heart was a long way gone. I could fool every soul standing near me, but you knew what was going on. I thought you would turn away when the truth came into the light, but mercy was already moving through the darkest part of my night. Still you came when I had nothing left to give. Still you called my name and gave this broken man a reason to live. You took the nails, you bore the blame I could not bear. I ran as far as I could run, and still I found you there. Jesus, when I had lost my way, still you came. Oh, still you came. I chased down roads that promised freedom, but every mile left another chain. I learned that sin can shine like silver, while it slowly hollows a man with shame. There were nights I could hear you calling, but I drowned you out with the noise. Still your grace kept reaching through it, quiet and steady beneath every choice. I was waiting for condemnation, for the door to close in my face, but there stood a cross on a lonely hill, and there stood amazing grace. Still you came when I had nothing left to give. Still you called my name and gave this broken man a reason to live. You took the nails, you bore the blame I could not bear. I ran as far as I could run, and still I found you there. Jesus, when I had lost my way, still you came. Still you came. You did not wait until I was worthy. You did not ask me to clean up first. You met me down in the dust of my failure, at my weakest and my worst. You did not love some better man. I was trying so hard to become. You love the sinner standing before you and covered him with the blood of the Son. I brought you the red.